Why reducing screen time matters.
Spending too much time on screens can affect sleep, mood, and overall health. Cutting back doesn't mean giving up entertainment or productivity. Simple habits can help you strike a healthy balance, supporting your well-being without feeling restricted. In this video, discover 5 easy and realistic ways to enjoy life beyond your devices, while still staying connected and entertained.
Set friendly time limits.
Using built-in screen time tools on phones or computers makes it easy to monitor and gently limit your device use. Try setting daily limits for social media or streaming apps. Start small and gradually reduce your usage as you adjust. Seeing your progress boosts motivation and helps you prioritize activities that truly add value to your day.
Create tech-free zones.
Designate certain spaces like your bedroom or dining table as device-free zones. This makes it easier to unwind, focus, and connect with others. Place a book or journal in these areas as an alternative, or enjoy meals and conversations without digital distractions. Over time, these new routines can refresh your mind and encourage healthier habits.
Replace screen time with enjoyable activities.
You don't have to cut out some device time for activities you love, such as reading, exercising, cooking, or creative hobbies. Scheduling these routines in advance helps you look forward to them and makes it easier to unplug. You don't have to cut out screens entirely. Just aim to balance your day with rewarding offline experiences.
Make social time device-free.
When spending time with friends or family, suggest keeping phones out of sight. This small step helps everyone stay present and enjoy real connection. Board games, walks, or shared meals can be more fulfilling without digital interruptions. You'll likely find these moments become highlights in your week, and you won't miss your screen at all.
Wind down with a relaxing night routine.
Replace late-night screen scrolling with calming habits like listening to music, reading, or gentle stretches. Lowering screen time before bed improves sleep quality and helps you wake up feeling refreshed. Try setting an alarm for screen-off time, then switch to a soothing activity each night. Your body and mind will thank you.